Assalamualaikum. The beginner name of Allah who is most almighty and most merciful. So in this video, the part 2 of the HTML series, we are going to make a new file, controllers, the name of file.html, enter. Then we are going to write here HTML, enter. And we are going to give it title HTML part 2. And then we are going to see, first of all we are going to see table tags. First I'm going to write here table. In table I am giving it some space. In table I am going to write here a caption. In caption I am going to write here student work. I'm going to go like open in block. Wait a second. Student work. So and then I am going to write a here TR. TR means table row. TR means table row. TR means table row. If I write in table row TD, first of all TH. TH means table heading, and then I am going to write in it student name, and then I am going to leave a TH, coming back to the TR here. And then I am going to write here RTH again. And in it I am going to write here roll number and save it and controller. As you can see, student work is the title and student name roll number is the heading. If I copy it and paste it here and do the TH TD and give it the student name and give it the roll number. As you can see, this is the data of the table. TD means table data. So now we are going to see how to make an input page. Like for example, I am going to write here we are going to, how can we make this way? These are labels. We are going to make this with this and this button and these three. and our calendar too. So we are going to open our sublime text and going to write here form, and then give it some space in it. I am going to write here file date. In file date I am going to write here legend. And in legend I am going to write here please form, and then I am going to save it in Control R. The legend right here fill this form, and the file date make the boxes the border, and forms give it a type of form. And now in the bottom of legend I am going to give it space and going to write here input. Give it the type name, and name will be name. And as you can see, I have to set screen. And before input, I am going to write here name. Save it, Control R. As you can see, my books are here. I am going to write something. It is going to show. And now we are going to see. We are going to make one more one. It will be password one. I am going to write a password, and then input, and type will be password name will be, and then save it, Control R. You will see that password is coming. I am like this. You can see the password is coming in one line. These two are coming in one line, but I don't want to come in one line, so I am going to write a BI. Now you can see, but we need more than, so we are going to write here one more here. So we are going to make one more part one. I am going to put the same thing. Wait a second. I'm going to write an input, and here will be date, time. Here will be date, time too, and then save it, Control R. Wait a second, date, time will be looked. As you can see, our calendar has came. I am going to click it, and the calendar has came. Now we are going to see how can we show text in the box. So we are going to, if I make here, I email one. Email, and then I input tag to it, email, and give it a value of place holder, and what is your email. As you can see, it is show me in it. If I write something, so it will be gone. Now we are going to see a require tag. If I put a require tag in it, required. So when I am going to save it, it is please fill out this. I will going to put here my cursor. It is not going to show me like this. I have put in a required tag, so it is going to show me please fill out this. Fill out this field. So now we are going to see how can we make a submit button. So we are going to write here a button and enter. In button we are going to write here a type. In type we are going to write here submit, and here will be submit. Save it and Control R. This is our please fill it. If I write here something submit and then it will be gone. I will tell you where it will be gone. I am going to do it like this. I am going to refresh it and I am giving the value and submit it. I am going to come here and as you can see it is going to show me email Subhan. So now we are going to see how can we make a reset button. So we are same work, but type will be changed. Type will be reset. Reset. If I write here something and reset, it will be finished. So now we are going to see how can we make a checkbox. We are going to make it here. And then we are going to write here input. Sorry, I am going to write here and then input. It will be checkbox save it and wait a second. Wait, we will be making it a button. It is a checkbox now. So now we are going to see. Now wait for that. No, we had done. It is linking that. So how can we put an image here? So we are going to write here appear tag and then IMP tag. So we are going to come here in the Google and going to take an image. Address and then paste it here. I know it is so much big. It's alright. And then save it, come here and control the image is here. we are going to